To effectively troubleshoot Paddle subscription management, start by understanding the basics of Paddle and its role in managing subscriptions. Paddle is a platform that enables businesses to sell software and manage subscriptions, providing a range of tools for handling customer payments, trials, and licensing. First, identify the issue you are experiencing with your Paddle subscription management. Common problems include failed payments, incorrect subscription status, and issues with trial periods or license keys. Once you have pinpointed the problem, proceed to the Paddle dashboard to gather more information. In the Paddle dashboard, navigate to the Subscriptions section to view a list of all your active and inactive subscriptions. Look for the specific subscription that is causing the issue and check its status, payment history, and any associated licenses or trial periods. This information will help you determine the root cause of the problem. Next, check the payment history to see if there have been any failed payments or declines. If a payment has failed, you can try to retry the payment or update the customer's payment method. You can also communicate with the customer directly using the Paddle dashboard to request updated payment information. Another key area to investigate is the subscription settings and rules. Ensure that the subscription plan, pricing, and billing cycle are correctly configured. Also, verify that any applicable trials or promotions are properly set up and that the subscription is not inadvertently paused or canceled. To prevent similar issues from arising in the future, implement best practices such as regularly reviewing subscription status, monitoring payment failures, and testing your subscription setup. It is also essential to maintain open communication with your customers, keeping them informed about any changes to their subscriptions or payment schedules. By following these steps and staying proactive, you can effectively troubleshoot and resolve issues with your Paddle subscription management, ensuring a seamless experience for both your business and your customers.